A warm good morning to all my students. Students, today I'm going to start a very beautiful poem from Perfect English, The Head and the Heart. Right? Written very beautifully by John Godfrey. Right? Now, there are totally 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 stanzas here. Now, let me read the poem stanza once. Right? For stanza number 1, the head is stately, calm and wise, and bears a princely part, and down below its sacred lies the warm, impulsive heart. In this particular stanza, poet is talking about the heart. Alright? The poet is talking about the heart. तो यहाँ पे we can see students की comparison है between head and the heart, right? So here they are saying in this particular stanza एक उधेड़ बुन है, एक confusion और एक fight between head and the heart. This stanza is about heart. The heart is stately. Stately means इसका size is small, calm and wise, and bears princely part. Okay. Now in this particular one, here these two lines, the poet is talking about the head. Princely part means जैसे कि राजा एक मुकुट पहनता है, right? Like a king wears a crown. In the same way, our body carries the head, and in the head we have superficial brain, right? And down below its sacred lies. और उसके नीचे, head के नीचे, neck के नीचे क्या होता है? कहीं पे एक छुपा हुआ हार्ट, दिल. The warm, impulsive heart. Impulsive means I have written the meaning also. Emotional heart. तो ऊपर एक head है जिसमें brain है. कभी कभी हम लोग बोलते हैं ना कि दिमाग अलग सोचता है and दिल अलग सोचता है. तो sometimes we think and you also might have heard people say, take decision with your heart, not with the mind. And some say take decision with your mind and not with the heart. So always there is a fight between head and the heart, and head and the heart are not friends, right? Come to second stanza. The lordly head that sits above, the heart that beats below, their several offices plainly prove their true relation show. So यहाँ पे the poet is telling the lordly head जो ऊपर रहता है, the heart जो beat करता है, the heart beats. Means the function of head is different, the function of heart is different, and they both are required for our personality, they both are required for our human beings. That kind of to move us. Their several office plainly prove their true relation show. So they have different functions to play, and they play in a very fairer part with a very fair, and they both take a very fair decision. We cannot say that head is wrong and heart is right, and we cannot say head is right and heart is wrong. तो दोनों ही अलग अलग उनका पार्ट है, अलग अलग फंक्शन है, और दोनों का डिसीजन जरूरी होता है, और ये हम लोग के लिए भी जरूरी है. Okay, head and the heart. Okay guys, here look at the third stanza. The head erect, serene and cool. The head is very erect. Serene means it is very calm and cool, endowed with reason's art. So head, brain में बहुत सारा कारण, बहुत सारा reason, बहुत सारा critical thinking होता है. Was left aloft to guide and rule. So head का क्या function है? It guides us, it rules us, it helps us in building values. The tropic wayward heart. ठीक है. So एक बोलते हैं दिल फेक हार्ट दिल फेक होता है. हार्ट का जो डिसीजंस होता है कभी कभी बहुत स्पॉन्टेनियस होता है, जल्दबाजी में हो जाता है, लेकिन हेड जो है वो बहुत सूझबूझ से, बहुत समझदारी से डिसीजन लेता है. Okay, come to the next stage, students. And from the head, as from the higher, comes every glorious thought. So head से एक glorious, critical thought, एक अच्छा सोच, एक deep thinking सोच निकलता है, आता है. and in the heart's transforming fire, all noble deeds are wrought. Now here, now what do you mean by the word when you wrought means एक अपना decision होता है the head so higher and comes very glorious thought and in the heart's transforming fire all noble deeds are wrought. तो यहाँ पे जो भी हार्ट का डिसीजन होता है दैट इज वेरी डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द हेड्स डिसीजन. हेड कहीं ना कहीं अगर सूझबूझ से सोच रहा है तो दिल कभी कभी वैसा नहीं सोच पाता है. ओके, सो द डिसीजंस में वेरी, द डिसीजंस में गेट डिफर फ्रॉम the decisions taken from the head or the decisions taken by the heart, right? Look at the last stanza, guys. Yet each, students look at the last paragraph, last but not the least. Yet each is best when both unite to make the man complete. Yes, here the poet is putting the very emotional line here and or message here telling us that though the head and heart, they both are very different components but built up in the same body. Though their functions may be different, though their their analysis may be different, but they both are very important. Their collaborations, their coordinations are superficially important to make man complete. Okay, and without them, the man wouldn't be complete, and the man would not be able to take the good or the correct or appropriate decisions. What were the heat without the light without the heat? Here the poet is comparing heat with the light and light with the heat. We can also compare cold with the ice and ice with the cold. तो heat के बिना light के बिना heat नहीं हो सकता है, और the light heat के बिना light नहीं और light के बिना heat नहीं. So they both are mutually coordinated और आपस में इतने जुड़े हुए हैं कि दोनों का होना बहुत ज़रूरी है. Their bond is very very necessary to make one's life superficially complete and important. So here today we have learnt about the real struggle between head and the heart. एक जंग जो हमेशा चलता रहता है between head and heart. Head tells something and heart tells something, but both decisions are important. I hope you have understood the poem The Head and the Heart. Thank you and have a very nice day.